Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 camera not working. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Click Camera. Make sure turn on camera access. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand cameras. Right-click camera, click Uninstall device. Click Action, click Scan for hardware changes. Third method is open any browser. Type motherboard manufacturer name with camera driver. Click official support site. Select product type and product series. Select your product model. Click driver and utility. Select your OS. Click Download. Open downloaded file. Restart the computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.